All right, so if you don't have your version or your license for MATLABSimulink, you're going to have to download a free trial version so that you can follow along with this course. So what I want to show you in this lecture is how to download a free trial that includes both MATLAB and Simulink, which of course we're going to be using both throughout this course. So go to your browser and search for MathWorks.com. So MathWorks is the company that makes both MATLAB and Simulink. And once you get to their website, go to where it says products, and in here go to where it says Simulink product family. Now, of course, I'm saying Simulink, but this also is going to include MATLAB as well. So click on that, and once you get to this window, you're going to see this download a free trial button. So let's go ahead and click on that, and in here you're going to have to enter your work or university email. And if you don't have a MathWorks account, you're going to have to create a new account before you can download the free trial. Now, one thing that I wanted to show you is that you're going to have to download what's called the Simscape Essentials product. So I want to show you why that's the case. So if we go here to where it says products again and go to Simscape, so below the Simulink product family, click where it says Simscape, and this is the version of MATLABSimulink that you're going to have to download because it includes, again, both MATLAB, Simulink, and it includes what's called Simscape. And within Simscape, you're going to have several options like electrical, mechanical, and there's also thermal, I think, and a few other kind of areas of science and engineering. So make sure that when you're downloading your free trial that you choose Simscape as the version of MATLABSimulink that you're trying to download, because MathWorks is going to give you the option to just download MATLAB or download certain packages for Simulink. So make sure you download what's called, again, the Simscape within Simulink. And of course, when you download Simulink, you're also going to have to download MATLAB at the same time. So don't worry about not having MATLAB. If you download Simulink with the Simscape package, that already includes MATLAB as well. All right, so just follow along with the process. Again, you can click here where it says download a free trial. You're going to have to enter your email information. If you don't have a MathWorks account, you're going to have to create one to be able to download the free trial version. But again, this is a free 30-day trial for non-commercial use, meaning you're using it for evaluation purposes, such as this course for following along with the course. So, but it's not meant to be used as a full commercial version for commercial projects. But again, you can use it for the purposes of this course as an evaluation to follow along with the course. All right, so at this point, it's very straightforward. Again, and just enter your email. You're going to be prompted to either create an account if you don't have one, or it's going to take you straight through to the trial download. And again, make sure that you download what's called the Simscape package within Simulink. And again, Simulink also includes MATLAB as well. So just go ahead and follow the instructions. Go ahead and install the latest version of Simulink. And after you do that, you can move on to the next lectures of the course, where we're going to be diving deep into both MATLAB and Simulink.